if she's a great person. She might consider herself a good person. You know, she's representing a community, the Asian American community, and so she's kind of in it for herself. But so is a lot of people in the movie, but also in the world. And so there we are, a bunch of unhinged people, you know, just in it to truly try our best. I think like what it comes down to is that we're a lot smaller, you know, than we think. The universe is so big, and I think it's okay to feel that way sometimes. The advice is we're really tiny. Go hiking or something, and this is an advice that I should really listen to because I don't. That's why I'm so pale. I never see the sun. But, you know, remember that you're just a tiny little thing in this big old universe. So, you know, maybe it's not so bad. I'm just happy that one of those countries will be where my dad is in Japan. So, Dad, we're all trying to get your approval, especially me. So, yes, that's exciting.